Hello everyone, and welcome to WUH Creator. In this video, we will discuss pronouns. We will cover their definition, provide examples, and explore their different types. This is our third class on parts of speech. In our previous lesson, we discussed nouns, and the link to that video is available in the description below. So, let us begin with its definition. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun to avoid repetition and to make sentences smoother and clearer. Or, a pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. If we repeat a noun many times, the sentence becomes awkward and repetitive. Here is an example. Kohli is a student. He is hardworking. He lives in Delhi. In these sentences, the underlined word Kohli is a noun, and he is a pronoun. If, instead of using the pronoun, we repeat the noun each time, the sentences would be: Kohli is a student. Kohli is hardworking. Kohli lives in Delhi. Repeating the noun again and again makes the sentences awkward and monotonous. That is why we use pronouns to avoid repetition and to make our sentences smoother and more natural. Here is another example. The book is on the table. It is new. In this sentence, book is a noun, and it is a pronoun because it refers to the noun book. Another example. Sarah is my friend. She is kind. Here, Sarah is a noun and she is a pronoun that refers to Sarah. Next example. Everyone likes kindness. In this sentence, everyone is a pronoun. The last example of our lesson is: they help each other. Here, they is a pronoun. Now, let us move on to the types of pronouns. In this video, we will learn the names of the different types of pronouns to develop a clear overview of the topic. Understanding these categories will help you recognize how pronouns function in various contexts. In our upcoming videos, we will discuss each type in detail. We will study their definitions, rules, and examples to ensure a complete and thorough understanding of each category. There are several types of pronouns. Some of the main types are as follows: personal pronouns, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronouns, intensive or emphatic pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, distributive pronouns, dummy or expletive pronouns. So, this was all about pronouns and their types. This lesson was the third part of our series on parts of speech. The links to the first two lessons are available in the description below. You can watch them to strengthen your understanding of the topic. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming lessons. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.